Hello, welcome back, English learners from all over the world. This is Tangerine Academy. Have you ever gone shopping for an important occasion? Maybe a wedding, a big event, or your very first day at a brand new job? Well, in today's lesson, you're going to join Esteban as he shops for clothes after being hired at a very important company. He wants to look professional, confident, but still be himself. In this powerful and super useful conversation, you will learn real shopping vocabulary. Hear 7 advanced expressions used naturally in context. Understand the importance of appearance and presence in work life. Practice pronunciation with shadowing. And check your understanding with 3 great questions. So get ready, get stylish. Let's go shopping in English. Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Style. Is there anything specific you're looking for today? Yeah, actually, I just got hired for a new job and I want to get some clothes that will help me look more, well, professional. It's kind of a big deal for me. Congratulations. That's amazing news. What kind of company is it? It's a tech startup. Small but fast growing. I'll be leading a project team. They liked my portfolio and offered me the job last week. To be honest, I'm still a bit surprised. I want to make a good impression, you know? Absolutely. And first impressions are everything. When you walk into a room, your outfit speaks before you even say a word. And in business, that can make or break a connection. See, I've always been kind of casual. I want to look good, of course, but nothing flashy. I like to keep things low key. Of course, we can find something that says confident without shouting. Remember, style is a language, and the goal is to send the right message: respect, intelligence, reliability. Yeah, I've never thought of clothes like that. I usually wear what's comfortable. Let me show you some basics. A well fitted navy blazer, for instance, is extremely versatile. You can wear it with dress pants or even jeans on casual Fridays. We're building a wardrobe that works for you, not just one that looks nice. That sounds good. I want to keep it simple, like clean lines, solid colors, nothing that feels pretentious. I hear you, and you're right to avoid anything too showy. But don't confuse confidence with arrogance. Looking sharp isn't pretentious, it's intentional. It tells people you care about the job, about yourself, and about the people you'll work with. That actually makes a lot of sense. I never wanted to stand out too much, but I get that in this kind of environment, image might be more important than I thought, especially in leadership roles. Visual credibility matters. People tend to trust those who look like they know what they're doing. It might sound superficial, but it's a very real part of professional culture. Interesting. So it's not just about the clothes, but how they frame you as a person. Exactly. And the right clothes can help you feel more prepared. That inner shift in posture, tone, energy. It all starts with how you see yourself. That's the psychology of appearance. Okay, now you've got me thinking. I'll need pants, shirts, and maybe a couple of jackets. Nothing too crazy, but enough to get me through the first few weeks. Perfect. I'll set up a few combinations for you to try. One more thing. Don't forget the power of accessories. A watch, belt, and shoes that match can elevate your whole look. You've got me convinced, man. I didn't know there was this much behind choosing a shirt. That's why I'm here, to guide you. You're not just buying clothes, you're investing in presence. I'll take these pants, two button ups, that navy blazer, and the brown shoes. And yeah, throw in that belt too. Great choices. You're going to walk into that office looking sharp, capable, and ready to lead. Thanks, Nicholas. Honestly, I came in thinking clothes didn't matter much, but now I see that image is part of success. You got it. You only get one first impression. Now you're going to own it. Alright, let's explore the 7 advanced and essential phrases from the conversation. These are powerful expressions you can use in real life to sound more fluent and clear. We will see the meaning, 2 examples, and pronunciation. Number 1. Low key. Simple, not flashy, modest in style or behavior. For example, I prefer a low key dinner with friends instead of a big party. Example 2. Her outfit was low key, but he still looked very elegant. Now repeat after me. Low key, low key. Number 2. Style is a language. The meaning is your appearance sends a message, just like your words do. For example, he walked into the meeting in a sharp suit. His style was saying, I'm in charge. Example 2. Style is a language, and today I want mine to say, I'm confident and creative. Now repeat after me. Style is a language. Style is a language. Number 3. Versatile. The meaning is able to be used in many different ways or situations. For example, a white shirt is versatile. You can wear it to the office or a casual dinner. Example 2. This jacket is versatile enough to This jacket is versatile enough to dress up or down depending on the occasion. Now repeat after me. Versatile, versatile. Number 4. Pretentious. The meaning is trying to seem more important, talented, or cultured than you really are. Showy. For example, he decorated his apartment in a very pretentious way, full of gold statues. Example 2. I don't want to look pretentious, just professional and clean. Now repeat after me. Pretentious, pretentious. Number 5. Intentional. The meaning is done on purpose, with thought or planning. For example, her makeup was simple but intentional. It showed she cared. Example 2. Wearing a blazer to your interview is an intentional move to look professional. Now repeat after me. Intentional. Intentional. Number 6. Visual credibility. The meaning is the idea that your appearance can make people trust or respect you more. For example, a tidy appearance gives you visual credibility in professional settings. Example 2. First impressions are about visual credibility. People trust what they see. Now repeat after me. Visual credibility. Visual credibility. Number 7. Psychology of appearance. The meaning is the mental and emotional impact of how we look and dress. For example, the psychology of appearance shows that when we dress well, we feel more confident. Example 2. He studies the psychology of appearance to help clients improve their self-image. Now repeat after me. Psychology of appearance. Psychology of appearance. Well done! Now, shadowing section. Repeat each phrase after a short pause, trying to match the rhythm, pronunciation, and intonation. Do this 2 to 3 times for each sentence to train your mouth and ears in real English flow. I like to keep things low-key. Remember, style is a language, and the goal is to send the right message. Let me show you some basics. A well-fitted navy blazer, for instance, is extremely versatile. Clean lines, solid colors, nothing that feels pretentious. Looking sharp isn't pretentious, it's intentional. It tells people you care. Especially in leadership roles, visual credibility matters. That's the psychology of appearance. Excellent. Now you will answer 3 questions about the conversation. You will be given some seconds to answer the question and then I will give you the answer. I recommend you to repeat the conversation part again before you go to this section. Remember, these questions are comprehension questions, and sometimes there is not an exact answer, but the main idea. Let's start. Number 1. Why does Esteban want to go shopping? The answer is because he was just hired at a new company and wants to look more professional to make a good first impression. Number 2. What does Nicholas say about first impressions and clothing? The answer is Nicholas says that your outfit speaks before you do, and that looking sharp sends a message of confidence and reliability. He believes in the importance of visual credibility. Number 3. What lesson does Esteban learn by the end of the conversation? The answer is Esteban learns that how you dress affects how others see you and how you see yourself. He realizes that image is part of success and that being intentional with your style matters. Great job, everyone! You've just completed a powerful lesson where we explored a meaningful debate and learned 7 essential vocabulary phrases that can really elevate your English. Remember, English is not about grammar and words. It's about expressing your ideas, values, and emotions. And topics like this help you do just that. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below telling us what kind of outfit makes you feel more confident. See you next time and keep learning with heart and curiosity. Bye for now.